freezer. Hey team, Carl here at Red Bean Recipes. It's October, so we're going to do an Oktoberfest special. Oktoberfest is the time for massive overly sized beers, Das Boot, Steins. Food wise, we're talking sausage, funky cabbage and potatoes. Normally it would be out for Oktoberfest, going to a restaurant, bar with some friends, but since we live in Melbourne, the most locked down place of all time, I'm going to have it at home. I've had a couple of old mates reach out and say that I haven't shown the bicep bosh on YouTube yet, and I promised them last year that I would. So they're not as big as they used to be. It's very cold. Oh, I got brain freeze. Oh. No, it's done. Let's get you started.
Get that up, yeah.
So we're going to start by slicing up our onions, just roughly. Then I'm going to take the core out of the cabbage, so it's easier to slice. We're not getting massive chunks in there. So cut down one side, cut the other out, and just pop it straight up. Then we're going to slice down the cabbage, chiffonade style. Some oil in a pan, about a medium heat. Chuck the onions in with your Carraway Seeds, a little pinch of salt, and sweat them down. Carraway smells good. Add in the cabbage. Again, let that sit for around 10 minutes sweating away. Give it a good mix. You'll see it's soft. The colour's starting to come out of the cabbage a bit as well. This is where we're going to start throwing in our vinegar and sugar. You'll see the colour change when you tip the vinegar in. It'll go real bright pinky purple. Keep that on for another 5 minutes and you're done with that.
Yes, I like what you've done here.
For the pancakes, we're going to be using 4 potatoes, 1 onion, 2 eggs, some flour, salt and mixed herbs. Just chop them up roughly. We're going to put them in a blender. Bad choices were made here. This blender was not having it. Pop the onions and potatoes into a bowl. Eggs in. Flour in. I'm going to add more flour as we go just to get the right consistency. So have it to hand. Salt in, mixed herbs in, and give it a good mix together. Take out any big chunks if your blender didn't catch them. The full amount of flour will be in the description. cook them. Fire up a grill. And do this in a pan either as well. We've got the cabbage on, just reheating, snags on, and tip the pancakes out as you would any other pancake. Let them all grill away. Pancakes will only take a couple of minutes on each side. Just on quite a low heat as well.
I gotta go.
Plate up, Kransky in the bun. Mustard on that. Chop up your bratwurst. Get the curry ketchup on. Link will be in the description.
If you don't got no sauce, then you're lost.
Cabbage on the side and the pancake. And you're done. Thanks for watching that one, guys. Hope you enjoy it. Remember to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Too old for this shit now, bud.